If you're like me and you occasionally have a problem with rats eating your tiny plants or tiny palm seedlings, I've come up with a pretty good method here. This is a great product that I get on Amazon. It's 20 bucks for 2 traps, so they're a little bit more pricey, 10 bucks a trap. However, this is the trap here, and it's got a big lever on it that you depress, and it's got a claw on the inside, and it uses peanut butter, and there's a little entryway for the peanut butter. So basically what I'm doing is I bought these 6-quart Sterilite containers. The problem with these is the spring rusts and gets tight, and then the trap doesn't work. I've had a problem with that before. So what I do is I buy these Sterilite containers, and the trap fits perfectly into it, and then I put 2 screws to screw it down, and then I'll take a soldering iron and solder a couple holes in the sides. And here's what the holes look like. One entryway there. This one is to add in the peanut butter, and this is the other entry there. And to add in the peanut butter, you just unscrew this and pull it out. Okay, and the peanut butter goes right in this cap. Nice generous helping. And then this screws back into here. All right. And then you depress the trigger like that. If you look inside, the peanut butter's in the middle there, right inside of the trigger, and then you put on the roof. And it's kind of like making one of the commercial black rat bait boxes that you see at restaurants and behind industrial buildings, but it's kind of a DIY rat box that you can make. I have caught at least 2 rats with this. Its only negative is here in Florida. It's rains all the time and the internal parts rust. So this way the rain can kind of hit this, and it's curved inward a little bit, so hopefully no rain will get in here. Whatever, obviously moisture is going to get in there, but this might help the trap to last a year or 2 due to the cost of it. So we'll see what happens.